Deciphering, Blue Funk. Dive into English idioms. Hello learners! Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, conversations, or movies. It's called blue funk. Don't let the colors and words confuse you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Blue funk is an idiom, which means it's a group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. In simpler terms, you can't always guess its meaning just by looking at the words blue and funk separately. Blue, in English, is often associated with feelings of sadness or melancholy. Think of phrases like feeling blue. Funk, in this context, doesn't refer to the music genre. Instead, it's an old word that signifies a state of fear or panic. So, when combined, blue funk describes a state of fearful depression or a fit of strong sadness and anxiety. To get a better grasp, let's see it in action. 1. After watching the horror movie, Jenny was in a blue funk for days. 2. Hearing about the layoffs at work, many employees found themselves in a blue funk. 3. His favorite team lost the championship, and he's been in a blue funk ever since. From these examples, it's clear that the phrase is used to describe a prolonged state of distress or sadness caused by an event or situation. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The exact origin of blue funk is somewhat uncertain, but it's believed to come from 18th century Britain. The term funk was used in the sense of a strong fear or shrinking away in dread. Over time, blue was added, probably to intensify the emotion or align with the idea of feeling blue. There you have it. Now you know the meaning, usage, and a bit of the history behind the phrase blue funk. English is filled with colorful idioms like this one, and understanding them not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the culture and history of English speakers. We hope this video has been enlightening. And next time you encounter someone in a blue funk, you'll know just how they feel. Happy learning!